Chapter 6, Sloka 34. Chanchalam hi manak Krishna, Chanchalam hi manak Krishna, Chanchalam hi manak Krishna, Pramati balavadridam, Pramati balavadridam, Pramati balavadridam, Chanchalam hi manak Krishna, 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 Pramati balavadridam, Tasyahannigrahan manye, Tasyahannigrahan manye, Tasyahannigrahan manye, Vayorivasu dushkaram, Vayodivasu dushkaram, Vayorivasu dushkaram, Tasyahannigrahan manye, 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 Vayorivasu dushkaram, Chanchalam hi manak Krishna, Pramati balavadridam, Tasyahannigrahan manye, Vayorivasu dushkaram.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, Sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.